Data scientists are in high demand and they are paid well. By choosing to learn this skill, you have made a very wise decision. This is because the world is run by data. From global businesses and small startups here in Nigeria, decisions are now driven by data, and those who can collect, analyze and predict trends with data are the future of tech. So, what is data science all about? Data science is a powerful combination of statistics, programming and AI to uncover insights, predict models and help companies make smarter decisions. Data scientists solve real-world problems with data. AI and data science are inseparable. With tools like Python and TensorFlow, you can train machines to recognize patterns, automate tasks, and even predict accurate forecasts such as customer behavior and product design. How data scientists make real value and impact. Whether in Abuja or anywhere around the world, data scientists are in high demand by tech companies, financial institutions, health and agricultural sector, government and global agencies. You can freelance, work remotely, or even build career with top agencies globally or locally. At Bizmarrow Technologies, your journey in data science begins with R programming for data science, SQL for data analysis, statistics and probability, machine learning and deep learning, data visualization tools using Power BI and Tableau, Excel, R and real-world projects using tools like SPSS, Stata and more. Data scientists also use tools like Power BI, Tableau and Excel. Why not exclusively focusing on data science? Tools are valuable for data exploration, visualization and reporting. Excel is useful for basic manipulation and analysis, while Power BI and Tableau are powerful visualization tools. With real-world projects, we take you from beginners to pro. Now, here is why you should choose Bizmarrow Technologies. We offer you practical hands-on training, project-based learning, where a trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. We keep our classroom small sites for effective learning. You build a real-world project before you graduate. Our payment plans are flexible, making quality tech education affordable for you. Our classes are available both online and physical, meaning you can join from anywhere around the world. We make you job ready. This is because our training covers industry standard tools and technology. At Bizmarrow Technologies, we don't just train, we prepare you for a successful career. Don't wait, don't delay. Delay is dangerous. Register now for our data science training at Bizmarrow Technologies here in Abuja or online and start your career in a successful booming field. See you in class. Bye.